Hello friends, welcome to my channel. And today I'm gonna share with you how you can use lags feature for your Instagram picture. Okay, so when you give a post for in your Instagram account, then you will get the option lags. So it carry in your saturations of your picture. Okay, so how can you use this feature? Just follow my step, then you will learn. So here you can see the Instagram apps. Just click on this. Okay, then here you can see the option bottom part. Here the plus icon, click on this and select your picture. I select this one and go there. Here you can see the option for posting. Okay, just click on this and here you can see the feature. Okay, just I'll show you this feature. The above of the picture, click on this and here you can see the lags. So this is default percentage 15. So if you increase this, then your picture will more visible and sharp. Okay, so this is good, and if you decrease this, then the saturation will be um, look like transparent or this saturation. Okay, so you can use it according to your picture quality and picture visible. Okay, I think this is good, and after that just done. Okay friend, this is I hope this video was helpful for you. You can use this feature in your image. Okay, please subscribe to this channel and thank you for watching this tutorial.